Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python 3 on your Mac operating system. Now by default Python 2.7 is already installed on your Mac operating system, and that you can check by just clicking on this search icon and then just type terminal, and when terminal icons appears you just need to click on this terminal, which is going to open the terminal. And once the terminal is open, you just need to type Python here and then press enter, and then in response you will see Python 2.7.10 is already installed on my Mac operating system. But nowadays more and more people are using Python 3.x version, so I think the latest version is Python 3.6.4, and that version is more popular nowadays, and 2.7 Python version is considered as a legacy version. So I'm going to show you how you can install Python 3 on your Mac operating system. Now in order to exit from this Python command, you can just type exit and then just give these parentheses and then press enter or return, which is going to just exit out of this Python shell, right? Or you can once again give this Python command, and there is one more command to exit out of this Python shell, which is quit and then these parentheses, and this will also let you to quit your Python shell. And the last command for quitting your Python is you can just press Control D to come out of your Python shell. Okay, so this is about Python 2.7. Now let's see how we can install Python 3 on our Mac operating system. So I'm going to just close this terminal, and then you just need to open your favorite browser and search for Python, and the first link which will appear here will be from python.org. I'm going to click on that link, which is going to just open this website. So I'm going to just search for the downloads button, and I'm going to click on this downloads button, which is going to open the downloads page. Now here you will see download the latest version for Mac OS X, right? And you can see there are two versions available here. The Python 2.7.14, which is the legacy version, and the other version is Python 3.6.4, which is the latest version. So we are going to click on this button which says Python 3.6.4, and once I click on this button you can see the download for this Python 3.6.4 .pkg file has been started, right? So I will just let the download to complete, and once this pkg file is downloaded, we will see how we can install Python. So now this .pkg file is downloaded on my Mac operating system. So I'm going to click on this .pkg file, which is going to open this installer in my dock. So you can see in the dock the installer. So I'm going to click on this installer button, which is going to open this kind of interface for me. So I'm going to minimize my browser, and you can see the installer for the Python 3.6.4 has been started. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click continue here, and then you just need to agree with the license terms and conditions. So I'm going to just click once again continue, and then once again continue, and then I will just click agree. If you agree with the license terms and conditions, you can also click agree here. And once you click agree, you will see this window which says select the disk where you want to install Python software. So I only have this disk, so I'm going to just select it and then click continue. So on this window it says this will take 106 megabyte of space on your computer. So I'm going to just click install button, and then it will ask me for my max password. So I'm going to give my max password, and then I will just click install software, which is going to start installing the Python 3 on my Mac operating system. Now it will not take much time. I think it will take a minute or so to install Python 3 on your Mac operating system. So I will wait for that to complete, and once Python 3 is installed, we will just verify if the Python 3 is working on our Mac operating system or not. So now I can see this message which says the installation was successful for Python 3. So I can close this window, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to once again open my terminal, and I'm going to check with the Python 3 command. So Python, this command is for Python 2.7, and Python 3, you just need to add 3 in front of Python, then you will be able to see the Python 3 shell. Okay, so just give this Python 3 command and then press enter, and you can see now it shows Python 3.6.4 version, right? So now Python 3 is installed on your system. Let's print something. So I'm going to just write print, and in the parentheses I'm going to just print hello world, let's say. So hello world, and then I'm going to just press enter, which is going to just print hello world in return. The same command can be used to quit the Python shell using exit command. So you can just give exit parenthesis and then press enter, and you will come out of this Python 3 command. Or you can just press quit and then parenthesis and then press enter, and this will also allow you to quit out of this Python shell. Or once again you can just press Ctrl D also to come out of this Python shell. So in this way you can install Python 3 on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.